Art is a light that makes us realize truth. Premature certainty is the enemy of the truth. I think the truth is black and white. The truth is no one of us can be free until everybody is free. The rarest quality is an epitaph is truth. There are two ways of lying. One, not telling the truth, and the other, making up statistics. A magician pulls a rabbit from a hat, and an actor pulls truth from fiction. To be afraid is to behave as if the truth were not true. Pity requires us to honor truth about our friends. There is absolutely nothing in this world that will provide more comfort and happiness than a testimony of the truth. It is one thing to show a man that he is in an error and another to put him in possession of the truth. Truth is the beginning of every good to the gods and of every good to man. You can't waste time in your life trying to hide the truth.